Meet the Hearth Display, a wall-mounted frame touchscreen that transforms your hallway into a command center for family schedules, routines, and more. Let's see what makes it shine and where it falls short. So the 27-inch display blends into your home like a framed photo, with a privacy mode to show artwork instead of your calendar. It syncs with Google, iCal, Outlook, and more, displaying each family member's color-coded schedule with ease. Kids can check off chores and routines like getting dressed or brushing teeth, and parents can keep to-do lists, appointments, meal plans, and weather all in one place. You can snap or text a photo of a paper schedule, like a school flyer, and Hearth will add it to your calendar. Update events from anywhere. You can add, edit, and manage your family's calendar even when you're not home. It's got a steep upfront cost and subscription. It's priced around $600, rising to $700 normally, plus a monthly fee of $9 after a 1-month free trial for full access, including to-dos, routines, and the app. You won't get Alexa or Google Assistant support, and there's no alert system when an event is due. Hearth Helper can take up to 24 hours to add events from photos, which may delay reminders. So is the Hearth Display worth it? If you want a beautiful, family-focused hub for schedules, chores, and routines, and you're willing to pay for it, it's a powerful upgrade over paper calendars. Do you want to see how it stacks up against Skylight or Cozilla next? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.